What do you do, YouTube? Welcome back to this video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can promote Warriorplus products for free without having a website, using 100% free Google traffic. So the first step to this method, you need to find a product to promote, of course. So you're going to head over to Warriorplus. You can sign up, it's free. You don't need even to have any qualifications or anything like that. So you find a product that is on the Warriorplus marketplace that has 1000 sales plus, conversion rate of 10% and above, average visitor value of $2 and above, then the refund rate of 5% and below. So this is how you find a good product to promote. Don't worry about the pulse or anything like the average visitor value, doesn't matter. So that's how you find a good product that is going to convert for even the low quality traffic you will get. So what you need to do is to find a product that has been released in the last couple of weeks, if not a month. Then you need to head over to Google and Google for the JV page. So the JV page will look something similar like this. So this can be the JV document. If the product has already launched, you just need to type in the product name, then add JV page, you'll find the product. So let me show you what I mean here. So head over to Google, go back and type in. So this is an example of product that I promoted in the past. I tried traffic smash JV page, then it should pop up. It should be even the first link, and you should easily find the JV page. So the JV page gives you more information about the product, what it does, and anything you will need in your promotion. So to find the resources, you just need to scroll through to this page and you look for somewhere where it has a link to the JV doc. So sometimes vendors give you bonuses, they give you email swipes, but you don't even need an email swipe because you don't have an email list. So click on the JV doc here and it should take you straight to the JV doc. Most cases it's a Google document, so you don't need to worry about that. Then you need to find a product that has bonuses. If the product doesn't have bonuses, then I'll leave links to two softwares that I recommend. One is a website, another one is a software that generates for you the bonuses instantly. You just need to paste in your affiliate link and it will automatically fetch the sales page, and it will generate softwares related to the product you're promoting. I hope you get the idea. So I'll leave a link to that software. Then the other one is IDPLR, so you can get PLR products, though I don't recommend them because most people have already seen those products before. So I recommend the software, and once again it's my affiliate link, but it's cheaper than Commission Gorilla, which is expensive, which we're just getting started. So those are some of the only resources you will only need for this method. So you can also find products that are gonna be launched in the near future, 14 days from the time you're watching this very video. Find products on Munch Eye that are launching 14 days plus from the time you're watching this video. It doesn't matter if you're watching this video in 2050, it doesn't matter if you're watching this video yesterday. Find products that are launching in 14 days from the time you're watching this video. So the reason why we need to find those products that are launching 14 days in the time of watching this video is that we need to give time for Google to find our article, rank it for our respective target review article we're going to be writing. So we're going to be writing review articles. That's the easiest way to get sales without even having a website. So let me show you an example of an article I wrote. So let's go back to Google and type in smash traffic review. You can see that the first result that shows up here is sites.google.com. So sites.google.com can easily rank better than a new WordPress website. So I don't recommend getting a new WordPress website unless you have already made commissions using this free method. So that's what you need to do. Head over to Google Sites and create a free Google site. Then let me show you how you're going to rank your review site 9 times out of 10 if you do what I'm showing you. So the first thing you need to do is you need to add a banner image about the product so that people can know that, yeah, this is the image, this is the exact product, so they know that they're in the right place. So you need to add an image of the product in case they have already seen it before. So add the image so that they know that they're in the right place. The second thing you need to do is to add the product name plus review in the title, and don't add any dates because that will affect your rankings. You will not rank for the review article itself. You will only rank in case somebody adds a date towards the word review. So I hope you get the idea. So don't add dates, just keep it simple: smash traffic review or Fabo flap review, whatever the product is. If it's content gorilla, then add content gorilla review, full stop. Don't add anything. So the other statement you can say, is it worth investment? Is it should you get the software? Don't talk about anything related to scam or spammy, because vendors don't like that, and it may affect your conversion rates. So don't talk about anything like that. Keep your reviews authentic and be honest. Don't lie about the product. So what you need to do is to add the product name plus review in the title. Add it in the first couple of 100 words or in the first sub headline of your article. So you can see I'm talking about what is smash traffic here in the title. Then I'm talking about it here as well. So people can know that they are in the right place if they see that the headlines are connected to what they searched for in Google. Once they notice that this is not what they came for, they will hit the back button here, head over to Google and look for another review. Then you have missed that customer. So what you need to do is you need to have sub headlines, and so that your content is easily readable and skimmable by these people. So you need to add your affiliate link directly into the Google site. So you can see, if I click this link here, this is my affiliate link to that very product. So I've added the pricing. You should talk about the pricing, the funnel, how much each product in the funnel costs, so that people can know. Then you give them bonuses so that they can be more likely to click your link and then buy from you. So to deliver the bonuses, head over to the bonuses the vendor gives you, or the bonuses you generate using the software I've talked about. Paste them into a Google document. Copy the link to that Google document. Ensure it is on anyone on the internet can view this link, so that the people who have bought from you can access these bonuses. So I recommend creating a landing page, collecting emails of those people who are going to be buying through your link. So I'll leave a link to ConvertKit, which I think is the best email marketing software you can get out there. So I'll leave a link to ConvertKit as well. Those are my affiliate links. So some of them may be affiliate links, some may not be. So I'll leave a link to that as well. So you need to copy this link, head over to Warriorplus and click on the product that you have been approved for. So you click on link settings here. Then paste the buyer bonus URL here. Just Control V and paste it there. Then click save. So I'm not going to save it because those bonuses are not related to the product. So I hope you get the idea. That's how you deliver the bonuses. So for you, what you need to do, in case you have a link to your landing page, what you need to do is to enter the link to your landing page here to collect the buyer's email address, so that you can promote more products to this person later on via email. That's how Wise Affiliates build email lists. So that's how you do it. Then what you need to do is to find a product that has been recently launched. Ask the vendor to approve you. So if you don't know how to ask that, I'll leave scripts in the description of this very video on what you should tell this vendor so that they approve you. So I know what I'm doing. So these scripts, I know they will 9 times out of 10 they will work. So I've been doing this for quite some time, so I know what vendors need to see when you are a new affiliate. So you'll find that script in the description below. All you need to do is to just leave a like on this video and subscribe if you're new. Then I think that's it for this video. So let me sum up the whole procedure in this last few minutes. So what you need to do is to find a product on the Warriorplus marketplace. Ensure that it has 1,000 sales plus, a conversion rate of 10% and above, visitor value of $2 and above. Average sale doesn't matter. Refund rate needs to be 5% and below. The power score doesn't matter. So long as the product is a good product, then you know you're gonna be able to convert those visitors. Request your affiliate link using the scripts I've added in the description below. They will be likely to approve you. So That's how you get the products to promote. Then you can also head over to Manchai to find those products that are new and have no competition at all. So you can find products that are going to be launching 14 days from the time you're watching this video. It doesn't matter whether you're watching this video yesterday or today. You need to find products that are launching 14 days from the video time you're watching, whatever that is. So then you need to write a review article. Ensure that your review article is 1,500 words plus, so that it can have a high chance of ranking on Google. Once again, all the resources will be in the description. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe if you're new. The next video.